So, I live in a unit. I am not happy with the internet speed that I have. If you live in Australia, there's a technology called NBN, which is basically fiber technology to the units. But there is good ones and there is bad ones. And guess which one I got? Yeah, the worst one possible. So you pay for the speed tier, and although I'm paying for the speed 100, I am getting barely 60 out of it. And I was in the market to see if I can upgrade this line for the better technology, but I'm not eligible yet. Thank you, Australian government. But there is one option left, and I have to see if it works. Like I said, I am in a unit and I'm renting, so I don't own the house, and I have to kind of make this work without installing and mounting anything into the walls. And if you don't know, there's something called Starlink, created by my buddy and my bestie Elon Musk. What it does, it's a little satellite that you need to just point it to the sky and it will connect to the SpaceX satellites, and it should get you internet. My issue is that this is the only space that I have that's gonna let me point at the sky. So this guy has only a slight sky to look at, and yeah, let's see if I can make it work. But before that, let me show you what it comes in the box. I like how it's so simple. It's like 3 steps. Put the satellite out, connect the thing, connect the router to the power, and download the app. Of course, Elon Musk has put 420 in there. Yeah, that's basically it. 3 steps. They also include Starlink stickers with cats on it. I don't understand why there's cats on it, but yeah, you got cats on it. There's not much inside of the box. There's only 2 things. There is a fast speed modem and it's a satellite. The satellite will basically link up to the modem, because I was looking to how to turn it on. The satellite has this USB-C-ish, but it's not a mini USB or not a USB-C, which will go inside of this, and I guess afterwards everything in the app. As it says on this big cardboard, it's only 3 steps. So setting it up is pretty simple and it should be dumb proof. Yeah, let's give it a try. This is the modem that they include. You connect this modem to the power and then you connect the satellite to this. So this guy is the thing that's powering on the satellite itself, because for like 5 minutes I was like, wait, where is the power point to the modem? But yeah, so this big guy is getting powered on by that little guy right there. This is not the safest way to install this, but because I rent this unit, I don't have the ability to mount it on the wall. But this is a test. If it works, then you know what, I'll figure out a way. I don't know, I'll create a mount here pointing up, because he has to point at the sky apparently. But for now, it looks... Oh, whoa, what is going on? We're not even doing anything. Okay, it's doing something. I think it's trying to detect where to place. Is it finding the satellite? I haven't even turned on the app. So it should be fine for now. But let me download the app and I'll get back to you. I just downloaded the app and now I'm gonna say check for obstructions and let's see what it does. I am ready. It says point to the sky, and we're collecting these little dots. Cool, cool. Okay, it says view results. Okay, so it says obstruction at your location may cause interruptions with the streaming video, web browsing, video calls, online gaming. Well, that's all good. We gotta do what we gotta do. So let's say set up here. My Starlink is powered. Yes, it is. Open settings. That's me. And now we go to Starlink. We click on Starlink. Beautiful. We definitely need an unsecured network, so hopefully we can secure it afterwards. Enter Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. I don't know. Let's figure it out. I guess it's in the box. Cool. So we just set up the Starlink with a password, and now it's secure. And it says Starlink paired successfully. And we go continue. And now let's do a speed test and see how it goes. Okay, maybe I need to buy the plan or something, because I have not paid for the monthly plan yet. So maybe that's the issue. It says booting. Maybe that's why we need to wait for it to boot up. I'll get back to you in a second. I've been sitting here for the past 15 minutes and it's still saying booting up. According to Google, it will take between 5 to 30 minutes for it to connect, and sometimes you might need to even move it around. So let's see how it goes. So while it's still booting up, I'll just explain one thing to you guys. Basically, the Starlink costs around $630 with shipping fees in Australia, and around $139 subscription to connect to the internet per month. And the offer that I got was that 30-day satisfaction and also 2 months for free. If it works, I'm gonna keep it, because in my scenario, I cannot get a good internet connection. I need to test it out for a few things to see if it's good for gaming, and also will it give me a better speed compared to what I'm paying right now. I am roughly paying around $70 a month for my NBN 100, which gives me a 69 speed. Haha, I bet Elon Musk would be proud of my internet speed. But yeah, let's see if it will give me a higher speed compared to... There's a massive bug right here. Bro. Go away. Yeah, where was I? So the only way I will keep this modem is if it gives me double or more than that speed that I get at the moment. Because if my speed is gonna go from 69 to 80, not worth the upgrade for me. I'll just let it be as it is, because I don't download much, but sometimes I want to download a movie or watch something and it's annoying that it takes a while and I have to use my 5G, because my 5G, when I do hotspot, it can sometimes go up to 500, but my data is limited. While in this case, for this $139 that you pay per month, it's unlimited data, and you are not paying for a speed tier. You get whatever you can depending on the location that you are. So I want to correct myself. As I was checking the Starlink app, I saw they have tiers to this subscription as well, depending on if you're on the land, ocean, regional, or if you want faster data speeds. And that $139 that I mentioned to you is their standard subscription with unlimited data, but you're not gonna be prioritized compared to other customers that might have Starlink in the same location as you. And those ones are like around $300-400 per month, plus they don't have unlimited data. And yeah, still waiting for it to boot up though. I don't know if it'll even work, so let's see. After waiting around 20 minutes, so after waiting for around 30 minutes, the satellite went offline, and I guess I gotta reboot it and see what's gonna happen. It's getting kind of annoying at this point. Let me just reboot it. Let's see what happens. So I'm back with an update. In the app, it says that it might take up to 12 hours for Starlink to collect the data and then connect to satellite. This is gonna take a while. Bro, just look into the sky and find it. This is insane. I have placed it in a really sketchy place. So now the thing that I'm gonna do is that if I'm gonna leave this alone for 12 hours, I might leave it on the ground and try to see if it can detect it. If it cannot, then gotta send it back, I guess, and stick with my crappy internet. I'll see you guys in 12 hours, I guess. Look at the wrinkles. Look at the stress that my 9 to 5 causes me. Can you guys subscribe, please? Thank you. And leave in the comments, 69 or 420. Which one are you fan of? Elon Musk. Hashtag Tesla. Hashtag boring company. Have I lost my mind thanks to the Starlink? Yes, I have. So I started the setup in the morning and it's like 4 to 5 hours later and it still says booting up. I am giving up. I don't think it will work. Especially on their website, they clearly say you should not even have a tree in front of it. This is for people that have a house and the house is not surrounded by other tall buildings or trees in front of it. Yeah, it wasn't meant for me, and I guess I gotta stick to my crappy internet until they fix that. We might get there one day, but at this point it's not it. Because this is the view that my Starlink has, right? So tree, house, a little bit of sky and Starlink. I put it there because I was scared of it being over there. Yeah, look, it's a great device if you live in an area that is open, but in my case I gotta return it. Doesn't work for me, at least it doesn't work. So I don't know if I should call this video a failure, but it is what it is. Make sure you subscribe and I will do more reviews on different products in the future. Let me know if you do have a Starlink and let me know if I did anything wrong. Maybe I didn't know how to set it up properly, but yeah, didn't work for me. So make sure you subscribe and you comment down below.